Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing purin, which is a popular Japanese dessert. Purin is a smooth, creamy custard with a firm texture similar to that of the Mexican flan and has a layer of soft caramel on top. It is enjoyed by both young and old in Japan. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the caramel and the ingredients for the custard pudding. Method: preparing the caramel. Add sugar and water to a heavy bottom saucepan. Allow the sugar to melt slowly on medium heat. Lift and swirl to dissolve the sugar. Remember, do not stir. Dip a brush in water and brush down the sides of the saucepan to dissolve any sugar crystals. Then gently swirl the saucepan for even distribution and coloring. Note: do not burn the caramel. Immediately take the saucepan off the heat as soon as the caramel turns light amber. The darker the caramel turns, the more bitter it will taste. Immediately remove from the fire as soon as the mixture turns light golden brown. Then add 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. Caution: be very careful when adding the water as the mixture will splash. Then pour the caramel into the mold. Handle with care as the caramel is very hot. Swirl to coat evenly and then set aside. We're now moving on to preparing the custard. Add a gelatin powder to the water. Let it stand for 1 to 2 minutes. Then microwave for 30 seconds. Remove, stir and set aside. Whisk the egg yolk and sugar until light and creamy in a mixing bowl. Heat 200 ml of milk in the saucepan, that's half the amount of milk, until the milk is warm to touch. Slowly add the warm milk, a little by little, into the egg and sugar mixture. Whisk continuously. Pour and strain the mixture back into the saucepan. Return to the fire and cook on medium to low heat, stirring continuously until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit or the mixture coats a spoon with a thin film. Add in the gelatin mixture and mix well. Add in the vanilla extract, cream and the rest of the milk, that's the 200 ml that was left. Whisk to combine. The caramel that we put into the mold earlier would have set by now, so pour the mixture into the mold over that set caramel. Then cover and refrigerate overnight or until set. When you're ready to serve, remove from the fridge. Dip the mold in hot water and overturn it onto a serving plate. And there you have it, delicious Japanese purin, a smooth creamy custard with a soft caramel on top. So thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you try, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other dessert recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.